Hello, food lovers and culinary explorers. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, where we travel the world of food without leaving our kitchens. If you're looking to make delicious meals quickly without the stress of complicated ingredients or long cooking times, this episode is for you. Today we'll be focusing on 5-minute recipes. Tasty meals from simple ingredients. You heard that right, meals in just 5 minutes. From quick snacks to satisfying main courses, we'll show you how to make the most of the basic ingredients you probably already have in your pantry or fridge. These dishes are perfect for those busy days when you don't have much time but still want something flavorful, nutritious, and satisfying. Whether you're at home, traveling, or looking for a quick fix, these recipes will allow you to make delicious food in no time without the fuss. Let's jump in and discover how to make meals that are quick, easy, and packed with flavor. 1. Italy. Caprese salad with balsamic drizzle. Ingredients: fresh mozzarella, ripe tomatoes, fresh basil, balsamic vinegar or glaze, olive oil, salt and pepper. Simple recipe: caprese salad. This classic Italian salad combines just 3 simple ingredients: tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, and basil, with a drizzle of olive oil and balsamic vinegar to create a delicious and refreshing dish. It's a quick and satisfying way to enjoy fresh flavors, perfect for a light snack or as an appetizer. Step-by-step preparation. Slice the tomatoes, cut the ripe tomatoes into thick slices. Slice the mozzarella, cut fresh mozzarella into similar-sized slices. Arrange on a plate, layer the tomatoes and mozzarella in a circular pattern, alternating between them. Top with basil, scatter fresh basil leaves over the salad. Season and drizzle. Drizzle with olive oil, a splash of balsamic vinegar or balsamic glaze, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Modern twist. Add a protein. For a heartier version, add grilled chicken, shrimp, or toasted pine nuts to the salad. This keeps it simple but adds extra flavor and satisfaction. Where to try it? Rome, Italy. A city where fresh, high-quality ingredients like mozzarella and tomatoes shine. Italian restaurants worldwide. A classic salad that appears on menus everywhere, bringing a taste of Italy to your plate. 2. Mexico. Quick guacamole and chips. Ingredients: ripe avocados, lime juice, tomatoes, onion, cilantro, salt and pepper. Tortilla chips. Simple recipe: guacamole. Guacamole is one of Mexico's most famous side dishes or snacks, and it's so easy to make. All you need is ripe avocados, lime, and a few basic veggies like tomatoes and onions. The result is a creamy, tangy dip that pairs perfectly with tortilla chips. Step-by-step preparation. Mash the avocados, scoop the flesh of the ripe avocados into a bowl, and mash them with a fork until they reach your desired consistency. Add the veggies, dice tomatoes, onions, and cilantro, and mix them into the mashed avocado. Season, add lime juice, salt and pepper to taste. If you like spice, add some chopped jalapenos. Serve. Enjoy with tortilla chips, or serve as a topping for tacos or grilled meats. Modern twist. Add a touch of sweetness. For a creative spin, add some mango or pineapple to your guacamole for a sweet and savory combo. Where to try it? Mexico City, Mexico, where guacamole is a staple at every meal. Mexican restaurants worldwide. Guacamole is a fan-favorite appetizer found in nearly every restaurant serving Mexican food. 3. Japan. Quick miso soup. Ingredients: miso paste, tofu, firm or silken, seaweed, wakame or soy sauce, scallions, green onions, water or vegetable broth. Simple recipe: miso soup. Miso soup is a traditional Japanese dish, but it's also incredibly simple to make. Miso paste, tofu, and seaweed combine to create a warm, flavorful broth, perfect for a quick snack or appetizer. Step-by-step preparation. Prepare the broth. In a pot, bring water or vegetable broth to a simmer, and stir in miso paste until fully dissolved. Add the tofu, cut tofu into small cubes and add it to the broth, letting it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the seaweed, stir in wakame or nori, and let the soup simmer for another 1 to 2 minutes. Season, add a splash of soy sauce and season with salt to taste. Garnish. Serve with chopped scallions for added flavor and freshness. Modern twist. Add udon noodles. For a heartier version, add some udon noodles or shiitake mushrooms to the soup for extra texture and flavor. Where to try it? Tokyo, Japan, known for its authentic and comforting miso soups. Japanese restaurants worldwide, miso soup is a common starter in many Japanese eateries. For Italy, bruschetta with tomatoes and basil. Ingredients: baguette or any crusty bread, tomatoes, fresh basil, olive oil, garlic, salt and pepper. Simple recipe: bruschetta. Bruschetta is a perfect Italian appetizer that combines crusty, toasted bread with a simple topping of fresh tomatoes, garlic, and basil. It's an easy dish that's always a crowd pleaser. Step-by-step preparation. Toast the bread, slice the baguette, and toast it in the oven or on a skillet until golden and crispy. Prepare the topping, dice tomatoes, and chop fresh basil. Mix together with olive oil, a touch of garlic, and season with salt and pepper. Assemble, spoon the tomato mixture on top of the toasted bread. Serve, drizzle with a little extra olive oil for added richness. Modern twist, add balsamic glaze. For a touch of sweetness, drizzle some balsamic glaze over the top before serving. Where to try it? Florence, Italy, where bruschetta is often served as an appetizer before the main meal. Italian restaurants worldwide, bruschetta is a classic Italian dish, enjoyed around the world. 5. Greece, Greek yogurt with honey and nuts. Ingredients: Greek yogurt, plain honey, mixed nuts, walnuts, almonds, pistachios, fresh fruit optional. Simple recipe: Greek yogurt with honey and nuts. Greek yogurt is creamy, tangy, and packed with protein, making it a fantastic base for a light breakfast or snack. Adding honey and nuts transforms it into a satisfying and healthy treat. Step-by-step preparation: scoop the yogurt, spoon Greek yogurt into a bowl, filling it about halfway. Top with honey, drizzle honey generously over the yogurt. Add nuts, sprinkle mixed nuts, walnuts, almonds, or pistachios. On top for crunch and richness, garnish with fruit. Add fresh fruit like berries, sliced bananas, or figs for extra flavor and color. Modern twist: add a dash of cinnamon for extra warmth and spice. Sprinkle some ground cinnamon over the top. Where to try it? Athens, Greece, where Greek yogurt is served with a variety of toppings. Greek restaurants worldwide, serving Greek yogurt as a simple yet delicious dessert or snack. Delicious meals made easy. As we've seen, delicious meals don't need to be complicated. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create flavor-packed dishes that bring the world to your kitchen. Whether you're making fresh Italian bruschetta, Mexican guacamole, or classic miso soup, these recipes are all about quick, no-fuss cooking. With minimal effort and maximum flavor, you can prepare these dishes in no time, making them perfect for busy days, quick snacks, or even last-minute meals. The best part is, these simple recipes can easily be customized to fit your tastes and dietary needs, whether you're looking to add protein, vegetables, or other toppings. Which of these 5-minute recipes are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global Eats Uncovered for more quick, delicious, and simple culinary adventures around the world.